टुडे इरफान जी हैं भी नहीं, वो चले गए। उनका बेटा मेरे सामने है।
एक दिन तुम दोनों मेरे बिना संभाल लोगे।
मेरे बच्चे तो कभी मेरी फिल्म देखते भी नहीं है। एंड आई यूज्ड टू मेक इट अ पॉइंट टू वॉच अ फिल्म बिकॉज इरफान जी वाज इन इट। देयर वाज अ यंग बॉय इन द on the side and it may have been Amir at that time but I didn't know Amir. Ritesh said, I want to talk to you. There's something we're doing and we just want you for a guest appearance. So please, tum karna. So I was like, okay, I'll meet you. Then we'll talk. Then you tell me what it's about. He said, nothing, yeah, you just do it. Your children will be very happy that you did this film. So I was like, अच्छा, मेरे बच्चे तो कभी मेरी फिल्म देखते भी नहीं है. So वो लोग खुश होंगे. ऐसे कुछ बना रहे हो. अच्छा ठीक है. Then तो I'm doing it. So I didn't listen to much more. And I happened to have been in that film. And today इरफान जी हैं भी नहीं, वो चले गए. ये मेरा उनका बेटा मेरे सामने है. So it's first film and I'm here with him. ये कुछ ऊपर वाले का कुछ you know कोई प्लान है जो वो आपको पहले नहीं दिखाता but it comes together. So it was little. I don't have the words to express that feeling, but I felt it too that day when I was on the sets. Maybe Nasir Saab, somebody saw my work somewhere, little bit koi ad dekhi hogi, kuch dekha hoga, so they called me for an audition. I remember going to meet Nasir Saab in his office, the big large desk, and you sitting there. And I think there was a young boy in the on the side, and it may have been Amir at that time, but I didn't know Amir. I met him, and I think I was laughing a lot because I was very nervous. I didn't know what I was supposed to do. And then they told me to come for a screen test. And for the screen test, we did scenes. I was given scenes from his previous films. Yado ki Barat, Yado ki Barat, uska ek scene hai. So I remember going and I went to Amir. I was told, Amir se seekh lo kya karna hai. So I went to Amir's house. Amir is teaching me the dialogues and telling me how to, whatever we are practicing. And then we did a screen test in Narcissa Bungalow Garden. In the garden, we have enacted the scene and all. So Amir is playing Vijay Arora, and I'm doing the scene of Zina Taman. And that's the scene we did, where she gets very angry with him when she realizes कि ये एक waiter है, yeah, he comes as a waiter in some place. And that's the scene we did and all. And then after that, I think there was a few other girls also who were coming for the screen test. Again, after a couple of months, they called me up and they said, okay, come and meet us because you've been selected. So that is how I landed up in. I think children change your world. From the moment my children were born, before that, I had no care in the world. मैं तो I was just about me only. सुबह उठना है, काम पे जाना है, हंसना है, रोना है और घर आ जाना है वहां से. वो जब मेरे बच्चे हुए ना, so then I started thinking about other little children. When you start thinking, oh, what are we leaving for the children? That's how it's all started. I started when they were quite young, talking about radiation from all these mobile towers and, figuring it out, okay, these rays are not good for us, all these sound waves. From there, I moved on to a couple of years later, I got to know कि प्लास्टिक जो लोग बोलते हैं कि प्लास्टिक यूज मत करो, मुझे भी नहीं पता था कि भाई प्लास्टिक क्यों नहीं यूज करो, क्या है. फिर एक दिन किसी ने मुझे बताया इससे कितना पोल्यूशन हो रहा है कि जो आप सोच भी नहीं पाए, ये उतनी बड़ी समस्या है. तो मेरे तो होश ही उड़ गए. लाइक हम कर क्या रहे हैं. So then I started talking about plastic, and then somewhere I felt कि ठीक है, मैं अपनी तरफ से जितनी कोशिश होती है मैं करती हूँ. And then somewhere I started planting trees. It's not like I'm in touch with him every other day or anything at all of that kind. But yet, if I need anything or if I want to reach out, I know I can reach Shahrukh. I can call him up, I can message him, and yeah, he will be there. I feel people who really know you, this is not coming from them. This is never coming from them. Sometimes I remind myself that, it's not really people who are your fans or well wishers who are being rude to you. It's also another little industry over there, which is a paid industry. So you're paid to suddenly, get after this person, go for them. If at all there's something like that, I try to remind myself that it could be. It's a little industry maybe, and that's the one. You're in the fire. Right now you're being targeted. So it'll blow over. And it does. And at other times, I just say if anybody is hurting you or whatever, just turn off your phone for a few days. Yeah, it'll pass away.